Tutorial, there is a beautiful fade in fade out effect created. So before starting the new file, I just want to share the final output to you. So now go to control, test movie in flash professional. Now see the beautiful fade in fade out effect is created. So I just want to close it. Now file, go to file, new, then okay. So there is a stage of good 700 into 550 pixels. Now I want to change it. Go to edit, dimensions 400 pixels into 400 pixels, then okay. Now see, the stage is fixed. So now next step, import to library. Let's open a file, import to library. Here are the images, so I want to just select 4 images, then open. Now in the library, here are the JPEG images. Now go to first frame and drag the images to the stage. Now go to align and match the sizes and the spaces. Now see, so go to timeline. Now take 3 other layers. Now in layer 2, another picture, drag it to the stage. Now same process, align, match sizes and the spaces, timeline. Now in layer 3, select first frame, another pic, drag to the stage. Now align, match movie, spaces. So go to timeline. Now in layer 4, select the first frame, go to that picture and drag it to the stage. Go to align, match the movie, size, spaces. Now timeline. Now there are 4 layers and 4 frames are just setup. Just a little bit of setup will complete. Now we just hide all the layers except one. Now, and by selecting layer first, we go to modify, convert to symbol, movie clip, and change the name to zip. Now we hide the layer 1 and then second 2, press F8, movie clip, change the name to scenery, then okay. Now hide layer, another layer 3, and first frame, press F8, symbol, change to name to flower, then okay. Now hide this layer and then hide layer 4. Now change F8, change to chair, then okay. Now there are 4 movie clips created. Now in first frame, just in frame to 20, I just press F6, or in 25 insert, right click, insert keyframe, sorry, and in 35 right click, insert keyframe, and layer 2 keyframe, just put upper side of the 25 frame. Now F6 and 50 frame, or in 25 to 50, yes, 50 right click, insert keyframe, okay. Now 60 right click, insert keyframe. Now this, insert keyframe, 75 F6, 85, then F6, then layer 4, drag to the 75, then F6. Now then go to 75 to 100. Now in 100 keyframe, F6. Now then 110 and F6. Now see, the whole setup is complete. Now we are just playing with this movie clip. Now select it. First we have to lock all the layers and then select the first layer. Then go to properties, and alpha set to 0. Okay, set to 0, but we want to not set to 0, to 100, and here set to 0. Okay, now in second layer, let's lock layer 1, and now in second layer alpha set to 0, not 100. Yeah, now set to 100. Okay, now go to frame 60. Frame 60. Okay, select it, then alpha, then set to 0. Now unlock there 2. Select frame, alpha, go to set to 0. That's good. And go to 25. Select alpha to 0. Now go to layer 4. Select the layers and alpha set to 0. That's good. Now and layer 110, select alpha to 0. Now again single process, just copy the frame, take another layer and simply put above the 100th frame, right click, paste frame, just remove it. Okay, now here first unlock this. Okay, now alpha set to 0 and here set to 100. So the whole setup now complete. Now we are just creating a classic twin. So select both layers, right click, create classic twin. Here both layers, create classic twin, both layers classic twin, both layers selected, right click, classic. Here we go. Now see, the whole setup is complete. So there, see what a beautiful effect created, that is alpha in and alpha out effect. See, now we are just going to test our movie, control, test movie in Flash Professional. See the alpha in alpha out effect, that we also want to say that fade in fade out effect. So here is the tutorial for fade in fade out effect.